Hello people, this is Akroms and you're watching about 1 minute tutorials. In today's lesson, we are going to learn how we can render our objects in ambient occlusion. So let's jump into it. In the following example, we have our scene ready for rendering. To do that, you just have to select everything what is visible in your viewport. You have to first go into render and add everything into a new layer and rename it. Now go into your attribute editor, click that new layer tab from here and then say preset and click occlusion. A new settings will open. From there click MIB occlusion and change the samples to somewhere around 128. Now click on your render settings and change the quality of the render to HD. Now click the quality tab and change the overall quality to 2 and hit render. And this is our final render. Thanks for watching.